So you've probably seen something like this before, right? This is called a Swagger. It's an API documentation. And if you work with any type of API, this is it's like a lifesaver, right? It saves you a lot of time, especially if you are a QA like me and you join a company and they have APIs and you're expected to test APIs. If they have a Swagger, which they don't always do, it saves you a lot of time because it has all the information you need about the API, what the API does, how to make a call, what the payload looks like, what are the required fields, things like that. Normally, you would have to go to developers and ask for information. But if they give you a Swagger, not only does it give you information about the API, but you can actually make API calls right here within Swagger. I'll show you that in other videos. You can literally make an API call right here from your browser. So in short, if you've never seen it, it will give you a list of all the endpoints inside of that API. And it also have the schema, which tells you what kind of objects each API has. Inside of under the API, if I expand this API, even in here, there is a schema that tells you what all the fields are. In this case, it's a very small one. So this one, what you're looking at here, is an API for a job tracking application. It's part of my API testing course. Also, this portfolio project that I'm building is a portfolio where my students build an application from start to end, right? From idea all the way to deployment, CI/CD, and everything. And this is the application. This is the backend of the application, the API. So it has basically administrative type of endpoints, applications. Since we're tracking applications, it has endpoints to create an application, delete an application, and things like that. But the point of this video is if you don't have a Swagger, if you're working with an API, look for a Swagger. Like if you're using somebody else's API, ask them or do research if they have a Swagger or not. If you want to work on this app with me, or if you want to learn QA automation, the professional way, check me out. I run supersqa.com. I have a membership, I have courses, I have everything you need to have a great career as an automation engineer. So make sure you check it out and check out Swagger because it's a really nice documentation, a really nice tool for anybody that works with APIs.